Today we delve into a pressing legal matter involving Mr. Terry Ford, a client whose case has raised significant concerns about due process and fairness. The correspondence is addressed to Warren Stanier at the Crown Prosecution Service in Birmingham, highlighting the urgency and sensitivity of the situation. The letter, marked as private and confidential, underscores the importance of clear communication and proper documentation. As we explore the details, keep in mind the broader implications for legal practice and the rights of individuals under investigation. Let's begin by understanding the context and the main parties involved in this case. Letter was sent via post, fax, and email, emphasizing the urgency of the matter. The solicitor's request that any reply clearly states the reference details, ensuring that all communication is properly tracked. This attention to detail reflects the high stakes involved and the need for transparency. The inclusion of multiple contact methods, including telephone and fax numbers, shows the determination to receive a prompt response. In legal cases, timely communication can be crucial for protecting a client's rights and ensuring fair treatment. Core issue revolves around an allegation made against Mr. Ford, which has resulted in him remaining on bail. The solicitors expressed dissatisfaction with this situation, questioning the necessity and fairness of continued bail. They suggest that the case appears to be driven by a particular officer, Jennifer Lee, and raise concerns about the motivations behind the investigation. This scene sets the stage for examining whether the legal process is being followed appropriately and whether Mr. Ford's rights are being respected. Jennifer Lee, identified by her badge number, is portrayed as a central figure in the investigation. The solicitors allege that she has taken a personal interest in the case, possibly influencing the direction of the prosecution. They claim that she initially contacted Mr. Ford as a witness, offering him protection under PACE, but later pressured him to sign a dictated witness statement. Mr. Ford's refusal to comply is highlighted as a point of contention, raising questions about the integrity of the investigative process. Recurring theme in the letter is the lack of information provided to Mr. Ford. The solicitors argue that this lack of disclosure appears intentional, possibly designed to pressure their client into implicating others. They describe the investigation as a fishing expedition, suggesting that the authorities are searching for evidence without a solid foundation. This raises important issues about fairness and transparency in criminal investigations and the potential for abuse of power. Solicitors formally request that the Crown Prosecution Service retain all paperwork and officers' notebooks or logbooks related to the case. This is a crucial step in ensuring that all evidence is preserved and available for review. Proper evidence management is fundamental to a fair trial, and the request reflects the solicitors' commitment to safeguarding their clients' rights. It also signals their concern that important information might otherwise be lost or overlooked. Letter challenges the validity of the evidence, particularly the reliance on a phone number found in an exhibit. The solicitors argue that such evidence does not justify the actions taken by the officers. They urge the CPS to critically evaluate the investigation, distinguishing between actual evidence and speculation. Mention of Operation Granite and the resources spent on it adds another layer, suggesting that financial pressures may be influencing the pursuit of the case. Solicitors make a strong case that proceeding with prosecution is not in the public interest, given the lack of substantial evidence. They argue that there is little prospect of success if the matter goes to trial. This assessment is crucial, as the public interest test is a key consideration for the CPS when deciding whether to pursue a case. The letter emphasizes the need for careful evaluation before committing further resources to a potentially flawed prosecution. Mr. Ford has fully cooperated with the police and provided a complete response to the allegations. Despite this, he feels targeted by a conspiracy. The solicitors reiterate their request for a copy of the interview tapes, citing the Data Protection Act. Access to these tapes is essential for ensuring transparency and allowing the defense to prepare an adequate response. The letter concludes with the firm's contact details, reinforcing their commitment to defending their client's rights.